Good morning children. Already we have completed first unit fully. Today we are going to see first unit book back exercise. Let's see that. Listen children. Prose 1 Adventures of Don Wizard. Book page number 92. Homophones. Homophones are two words that are spelled differently but have the same sound. A. Roman explained the difference between these words by making sentences. One is done for you. First one, see. The answer is, can you see the birds flying over the sea? Second one, night. The night went to sleep at night. Third one, right. I shall write the right answer. Fourth one, alms. She stretched her arms to receive alms. Fifth one, fair. The auto fare was not fair. Sixth one, hear. I can hear the roaring sound of a lion from here. Seventh one, herd. The herd of cattle heard the ratting sound of the branches. Eighth one, hour. It takes 1 hour to reach our destination. Ninth one, no. No one knows about this matter. Tenth one, not. The knot is not tight. Next, be Roman. Read the following sentences and write the meaning of the italicized words. One is done for you. Homonyms. What is homonym? Homonyms are spelled the same way but differ in meaning. First one, the bandage was wound around the wound. Wound means injury. Wound means past tense of wind. Then second one, there is a fair odds and graft fair this weekend. Fair means good. Fair means competition, exhibition. Then third one, the woodcutter saw a huge saw in his dream. First saw, past tense of see. Again, next saw, tool for cutting wood. Then fourth one, write the right answers on the right side. Right, which means correct. Right direction. Fifth one, the well was dug by a well-known king. Well means a deep hole that is dug to get water. Well means famous. Sixth one, we have march past in March. March, walking in a military manner. March means third month of the year. Seventh one, can you get me a can? Can means a modal verb requesting permission. Can means a vessel. Next, page number 94, eighth one, how long will the live fish live without food? Live means living and not dead. Live means remain alive. Ninth one, she has tears in her eyes as she tears old photos. Tears means drops of liquid that come from your eyes. Next, tears means pull apart to pieces with force. Tenth one, I will be second in line if I wait 1 more second. Second means number 2 in a sequence. Second means duration of time. Next, see Roman. Divide each word by putting a slash symbol between each syllable. On the space provided, write how many syllables each word has. Use a dictionary. If you are not sure, where to divide the syllables. What is syllable? Syllable is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonants, forming the whole or a part of a word. For example, there are two syllables in water. Water. Next, first adventure. Adventure. 3 syllables. Courageous. Courageous. 3 syllables. Incredible. Incredible. 4 syllables. Night. Night. 1 syllable. Hilarious. Hilarious. 4 syllables. Excitement. Excitement. 3 syllables. 7th one, peasant. Percent. 2 syllables. 8th one, imagine. Imagine. 3 syllables. 9th one, shepherd. Shepherd. 2 syllables. 10th one, entreat. Entreat. 2 syllables. Page number 98. G Roman, solve the crossword puzzle using superlative adjective. First one, deserts are the driest places on earth. Second one, the oldest man ever whose age has been verified is Jérôme Kimura. Third one, Russia is the largest country in the world. Fourth one, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world. Fifth one, Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. The elephant is the heaviest animal in the world. Sixth one, diamonds are the hardest material in the world. Seventh one, the cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. Eighth one, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Listen children, you note down number wise answer in your book. Next, poem 1, the poem of adventure. Alliterated words. It means it is the repetition of the two or more words in a single line's consonant sound. For example, because those that live their lives in adventure. Those T, that T, their T. These are alliterated. Next, and every time you take a new step, you bounce a bit. Here, alliterated words are time, T, take, T. The next alliterated word, B, bounce, B, bit, B. Next, supplementary 1, Alice in Wonderland. Page number 109. A Roman, identify the character or speaker. First one, I must find out why he is in such a hurry. The answer is Alice. Second one, go to my cottage and fetch my gloves and fan. The answer is White Rabbit. Third one, oh no, I will never get back to the right size. Answer is Alice. Fourth one side makes you big, the other side makes you small. The answer is green caterpillar. Fifth one, I will see you later at the Queen's Croquet game. The answer is Cheshire Cat. Sixth one, you may stay if you answer my riddle. The answer is Mad Hatter. Seventh one, wake up. You have been sleeping for too long. The answer is Alice's sister. I hope that you all have understood today's class. Do your homework regularly and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you children.